Hi, my beauties. I'm just doing the whole rounds. That's why you see me in the same everything. The look is from a collaboration on Instagram. But I got a package. This was sent to me to review. So I did not pay for it. And very sticky. Okay. And what this is a glass bottle cutter. So you can cut drinking glasses, pendant lights, these are things that you can do when you cut the glass. Drinking glasses, pendant lights, flower vases, candle holders, and much more. It shows you there. Then a warning on the back. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies and children. Do not use bag in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. Bag is not a toy. It really makes you wonder. When I read stuff like that, I'm like, who caused a company to have to put that disclaimer on there? Plastic bags and cribs? Toys? I don't know. Anyway, this is Quality Products for Better Living Home Pro Shop. And I will have all the information down below. And comes with gloves that you have to have small hands for. My husband will not be able to use these gloves at all. Well, they're pretty stretchy, so he might. Because, I mean, you know, they fit me, but I have smaller hands. And then, I'm guessing because this has a big metal piece over it, that is the blade that's in there. There's a little dropper thing that I'm not sure what it does. Looks like there's some assembly required. And then there's this part, and then you can see it's Home Pro Shop. And there is instructions. Read this. Important information. Registering your product is required to enable lifetime warranty and to receive your free ebook and audiobook. So that's good. So I'll be able to get at least an ebook on it. And then there's sandpaper in here that I'm not sure why. But I'll get the ebook and we'll find out. And then it's a matter of finding a glass bottle to actually cut. And then probably what I'll do is once I do that, to find some, you know, I might go to like the dollar store and go to the dollar store and see about getting something that I can cut so that we can do a video on that. Because I did get, my husband got this bottle from the dollar store. But this is part of my decoration, so I don't want to cut it. Even though it was $1. I like it. And we'll test it out and see. So that's what I have for right now. And like I said, I'll link the information down below, and I will do my best to do a demonstration video on using this product. So until then, if you like what you saw, ring the bell, smash the thumbs up, leave me a comment if there's anything you want to see, or if anybody's out there wanting me to review their product. I'm game. Till then, goodbye, my beauties.